Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Arlo Essentials outdoor camera. This is the second generation of this particular camera. Alright, so basically I found 3 of these at Walmart during their Black Friday sale for $30 a pop. So this was a steal. There you go, Walmart. Alright, so they just unbox this thing. Alright. There we go, we got the camera. Okay. Alright, so first of all, on the face of the camera itself, we see the camera lens. We see the light sensor, the spotlight. We got a microphone down here. And then this right here is the PIR sensor. Okay? On the top of the camera, we have the sync button. Okay? On the back of the camera, we have the mounting hole for the mount. And on the bottom of the camera, we have a rubber flap that covers the USB-C port for charging or for connecting a solar panel. Right? There we go. USB-C port. Alright? And then in the box, of course, we have the Arlo safety and compliance information. We have the setup guide. Okay. And then we also have the plastic mounting plate, front and then the back. Okay. Then we have the mounting screws and the anchor to those screws that goes with the mounting plate. And last but not least, we have a short USB-C charging cable. Alright guys, stay tuned for part 2 of this series where next I'll cover the setup of this camera. Catch you later. How you doing guys? So I'm back. I'm here to set this camera up. First I'm going to install the app. So basically it gives us a QR code to go to scan, and that should take us to the URL that we need to go to install the app. Alright, so that is the URL right there that we need to copy. Alright, after it's been scanned, so I can close out of my camera and then open up my browser. Alright. Alright, so that basically, the URL will shoot us over to Google Play, the Google Play Store, and then we can install this bad boy. So right now it's installing. the Arlo Secure Home Security app on an Android phone. Alright guys, so it's finished installing. Let's open up the app. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Bear with me for a second. So it's a situation now. I have to set up the two-factor authentication. I'm going to use my phone to do that through SMS text messaging. So I'm going to select that and click Secure My Account button. Okay, so from here, it looks like it wants us to enter in our phone number while it's thinking. So it looks like it's going to automatically grab my phone number. Well, no, it's not. I got to enter in my phone number. So hold on for a second. I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right. It's verifying right now. So I've entered in the code, and then I'm just going to be like, trust this device. It'll basically add this Android phone to my account, and it'll remember it, and it'll be a trusted device. Okay, so you got to give it you got to give the trusted device a name. I'm just going to put mobile phone. There's the name I'm going to give it. Okay. Alright, so it asks you for a location. I'm just going to put home. Office. Going to put home office. And continue. While it's asking for a physical address, I'm just going to skip that. It's asking for a time zone, which is Eastern time. Okay, so that just kind of sets up your profile. It's definitely asking for a lot of information. Alright, so here's where you basically configure it to where you can enter in the camera, or doorbell camera, security system, lights, base station hub, or bridge. We got a camera. Okay, so I have the Essentials series, so I'm going to click that. Okay, so as you can see, I have the second generation. It's the first selection, Essential camera, second generation. Alright, so basically now it wants me to pair it with the sync button. Alright, the sync button is here on the top, and it's asking me to confirm if I do have a sync button on the top, which I do, so I'm going to hit continue. Alright, so basically it's asking me to turn on my phone's location service, which I'm going to allow the app to do. I'm going to hit allow location services, and I'm going to say allow. Okay, now I'm going to hold down this button on the top for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to hit continue. So you can see the blue light flashing, so it's syncing up, and it's finding it. So there you go. It's synced now, and it even tells us the battery level of the camera. So so I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. All right, so There we go. We found the network that we're already connected to. I select it and I hit continue. Okay, so right now I got to enter my Wi-Fi password, and I'm going to do this off screen. Hold on for a second. Okay, so it's connected to the Wi-Fi now after I entered in my password. Alright, looks like it's working, guys. Alright, so there we go. So now it's a situation it wants me to name the camera. Give it a name. So this is going to be at the front door. So this is synced now. So I'm going to put this down. And I'm just going to type in front door. Hit continue. Alright, now it's checking for updates. And it's come to the realization that the camera's up to date. The Wi-Fi signal is strong. So I hit continue. Alright, so then basically it takes me through a demonstration of how to mount the thing to a mount. We'll do that in the next video. That'll be part 3. So I'll hit continue. And there we go. It's just showing us the little GIF of how to do that, along with the instructions. Like I said, we'll do that next video. Alright, so there we go. There's the camera. You can hear the echo. The camera's on the floor. You can see that there's video to it. So I'm just going to hit continue. And then the camera is now active. Alright, and then I hit finished. Okay, guys. So that is how to do the setup. Install the app on your phone. And then sync your camera to the app. So now the camera's set up and ready to go. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to mount the camera. Alright, thank you very much. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of the series. So today I'm going to teach you how to mount the camera. The tools that you're going to need for this job is 2 mounting screws, the wall mount, the wall plate. You're going to need a 9/64 drill bit. You're going to need a drill. It can either be electrical or battery powered. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. And last but not least, you're going to need a ballpoint pen. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to line up the wall plate, and then we're going to mark the position of the drill holes with our ballpoint pen. Okay, make sure that this wall plate is pointing up, in the up position. There's the up arrow. And then just mark your holes that you're going to drill. Okay. All right, now, so you just grab your drill and you're going to drill your holes. Make sure you drill them straight. Alright guys, next step, you're gonna mount your wall plate pointing up again, and then you're going to install the screws. Alright, so grab your screws, grab your wall plate, and grab your Phillips screwdriver. Alright, line it up real good and start inching your screw in there. Okay, start screwing it in. Nice and slow, nice and easy. Righty tighty. Okay, and then the next screw. There we go, nice and easy. Okay, snug them up. Right. Then next you're going to slide the wall mount pointing up on top of the wall plate. Sure centered. Then just slide it on. Alright guys, there you have it. Our camera's mounted. Thank you very much.